Here's a 3-step rule that'll make you more confident in small talk by the end of this video. You don't believe me? Well, I suggest you watch until the end and see for yourself. Social situations are nerve-wracking for many people. So the most important thing is that you take control of the situation and be the one who looks comfortable, even if you're not. Now, before I go on with the steps, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue making these videos for you. So step 1 is to start asking people questions about the obvious. So what is obvious at that minute? How about, so how do you know our host? Or have you taken these classes before? For example, if you are at a networking event, you could state something obvious by asking something about their work. So, do you work in human resources or are you in sales? How long have you been at your present company? Now, these questions will help you warm up the atmosphere and open the stage for a more meaningful conversation. Then, once you warm up the stage, you want to continue by using the FORM formula. Now, FORM stands for family, occupation, recreation, and motivation. Now, you can ask about any of these things, and guess what? People will light up. Why? Because they're now talking about themselves. Let's be honest, we all love talking about ourselves. It's easy, it comes natural, and we're probably not going to get stuck in our English. So asking something like, do you have any siblings? For family. Or what do you like to do for fun? For recreation. Now, I prepared a free small talk ebook with 100 of the most commonly used questions and answers for small talk, and you can download your copy to help you improve your small talk conversations. The link is in the description box below. Now, step 2 is active listening. Now, you want to listen actively. Why? Because active listening involves fully engaging with the speaker and paying close attention to their words, their tone, and their body language. So when practicing active listening during small talk, you want to make sure to maintain eye contact. You want to nod in acknowledgement. And you want to provide verbal cues such as or interesting. This will help you show the speaker you are interested and engaged in what they're saying. Then if the topic is interesting, you want to reflect back on what the other person has said by paraphrasing their points or simply asking some follow-up questions such as, wow, I really like your approach. So is there someone who helped you or you did it all by yourself? Finally, I want you to find common ground. Finding common ground will help you establish a long-lasting connection between you and the other person. So how do you do this? You want to look for shared interests. You want to look for similar experiences or backgrounds that you can bond over during small talk. Now, this can include something like hobbies or travel experiences or maybe mutual connections. Let me give you an example. I notice you're a fan of hiking. I recently went on a hike in the Rockies. Have you ever been? Or let me give you another one. So you've said you've recently been to Italy. I've always dreamed about visiting there. Can you share some good traditional meals to try? And guys, please remember, small talk is supposed to be small. So don't obsess with overly complex sentences and don't go too deep into topics that are simply not for a first-time meeting. So when you try this powerful rule, you'll realize that small talk is really easy and enjoyable if you focus on getting to know the other person. If you focus on engaging them and making them feel comfortable rather than worry about how you are appearing. You will for sure make new contact when you make small talk or a new friend, and hopefully you will have a good time in the process. So, what do you guys think? I hope you're taking notes, because once you try the following approach, I am sure you'll start falling in love with small talk. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and watch this one next, where I teach you the 100 most common questions and answers for confident small talk. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video to help me make more valuable lessons like this in the future. Until next time, don't forget to stay zen and find joy in practicing your English. Bye!